Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring your PC is ready. Enable virtualization in BIOS so the emulator runs smoothly, then install an Android VM or emulator that supports Google Play services. Once done, sign into a Google account that will access Play beta programs. Using a test account avoids affecting your main data. Make sure the emulator image includes Google Play. If not, switch images or use Android Studio's Play-enabled AVD. Start the virtual device and proceed to the Play Store app. Once the Play Store is open in your emulator, search for the app you want to beta test. You must use the same Google account that's enrolled in the beta. Then scroll to the developer's beta or join the beta section and tap to opt in. The store sometimes shows a short processing delay. After it confirms, force close Play Store, check for updates, and install or update the app so you're running the beta build. This ensures you receive pre-release updates. Finally, open the app and verify the beta build number in its About screen to confirm you're on the right release. If the update didn't arrive, clear Google Play app cache and data inside the emulator, sign out and back in, then reboot the virtual device. This often resolves enrollment delays. If crashes occur, capture logs with Logcat or the emulator's diagnostics and submit that feedback to the developer. Make sure you're using a compatible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.